Once upon a time, in a deep dark forest, I rediscovered myself and flew out my nest. Muffled in snow, the mountains cradled me. Unraveling my strength, the Himalayas set me free. I'd like to share this life-changing experience of mine with each one of you. So let's begin.
Hi people, we are in Sankri right now, the base village for Kedarkantha trek. It is very cold over here already. I've reached today around 6 p.m. from Dehradun. So far, the experience of this trip is very awesome. It's inexplicable. We came from Pune actually, so we traveled from Pune to Delhi a day ahead because we wanted to explore Delhi for a day. And actually the train from Delhi to Dehradun is around in the night 11:45 p.m. which reaches Dehradun around 6 a.m. in the morning.
Hey hey chalo na ढूंढे शहर एक नया
I'm telling him to give me one luggage, but no, he doesn't want to. This is our train. We are in Delhi right now and now we'll go to Dehradun.
लम्हा लम्हा खुशियाँ बिखरे इधर उधर और यहाँ वहाँ जाए वहीं दिल कहे जहाँ baby baby baby.
Indian shelters arranged a tempo traveler from Dehradun to Sankri. Dehradun to Sankri, the road is it is 200 kilometers by distance, but due to hilly areas, we will need around 10 to 11 hours to reach over here. Company and we have made some new friends. Hey guys, where are we going? Kedarkantha. Are you excited?
Yeah. इसमें सब ही की हो जी इन दिनों भूलो तारे कोई भी देखता नहीं
On the way to Sankri, we have stopped at Yamuna River.
दीवाने हो के कोई कितना भी हमको टोके खुली हवा हो खुला समा जागे हुए हो सब अरमा baby 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 हम धड़कने दिल जैसे धड़के धड़कने दो क्यों है कोई आग नबी शोला जो भड़के भड़कने दो.
They even have a gear rental service, so if you forget something from the essentials of the trek, you can just rent it out over here. And it's very affordable also, and it's very clean and it's very useful.
इतना सामान लेके आप पहुंचो, हम आते हैं. पहुंचिए आप लोग, हमने कर ली है शॉपिंग यहाँ से रेंटल वाली. अब करेंगे कल हम ट्रैक.
मैं बानेर में रहता था. अच्छा.
और ये हमारे प्रदीप
से
start the trek tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. after the breakfast.
धीरे धीरे हो जाते हैं. Hello guys.
Hello.
Hello. केदारकंठा फर्स्ट डे ऑफ ट्रैक.
Yes.
सब लोगों ने जैकेट
अब बोलो, are you excited?
Yes. Somewhat.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी. सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी.
This is the first phase of our trek.
Yes. And we are
We are
almost
gonna-
ready.
In the complete trek, it says that this is the toughest part. Let's see. We are now going to Juda ka Talaab.
जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे कोई हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार. कि जिंदगी यही है और यही जो थी कल तक बस आरज़ू. आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू. थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ.
ये हमारे राजा जी है.
सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं.
और ये रोहित बाबा. से हाय. ये हमारी एचआर है. Yes. और ये तनवीर जी फाइनल हो गए.
सांसों में बातों में रोशनी. नए नए सपने जो बन सके, उसी जिंदगी को कहो जिंदगी. नए नए रास्ते जो
Now near Juda ka Talaab.
We are not.
It's very cold. We got our tent. We had our lunch and we're gonna stay here tonight.
क्यों न करे कोई हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार. कि जिंदगी यही है और यही सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी. सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी.
ये रहा हमारा फ्री एंटरटेनमेंट.
सबसे छोटा बच्चा ऑफ द ग्रुप. इसमें आती है वार्म. इसे आप करें आजमाएं जब भी पहाड़ों में आए.
Okay. Today is the second day of our trek. We have started from our base camp and now we are going to go to Juda ka Talaab. And from Juda ka Talaab, we will be going to our base camp, from where we will start for the summit. This track is a little bit difficult.
नज़दीकियों का पता है दूरियां दे गई. मिले मुझे
पर मैनू जाने नहीं.
मिले मुझे
पर मेरी सुने याद नहीं. पर
10 मिनट रुक के चलो, अभी कुछ भी नहीं बना.
जूडा की तालाब, जूडा द फ्रोजन लेक बोलते हैं. तो वंस अपॉन अ टाइम यहाँ पे महादेव
दे से ही तो सही हाँ, दिल को किसी पे है यकीन
छूटे ना अब ये लागी छूटे ना अब ये लागी छूटे ना तू बस जा मुझे मेरा बन के ही मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल
तो भाई
कभी भी आप स्नो में खेलें तो पूरी सुरक्षा के साथ खेलें, ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं मारे, हाइपोथर्मिया का खतरा बन सकता है और ऐसे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं मारना है गाइस।
ये आदित्य
सुखाना हो चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो
8 o'clock over here now, 8 p.m. and we are going to start to climbing towards the summit around 2:33 a.m. So yeah, it's going to be exciting. It's 5-kilometer trek from here. We're at the base camp and let's see, we're going to climb down the same day, so let's see. Bye.
We left our camps at 2:30 a.m. to start hiking towards the summit. After the tea point, there was only one trail for summit, so you have to walk in a single line altogether. So now there is no backseats. You must do the summit. The last few laps were very challenging. There was tiredness, nausea. The harsh cold had swollen our fingers. Our bodies were freezing. Some of us even had cramps. But the only thing which forced us to keep going was a heart filled with a strong desire to witness this mesmerizing moment.
Finally.
it was a lot of struggle.
The hot rising sun cracking its way through the snow-capped horizons and making us feel alive. There is a small temple at the summit. Thanking Bholinath for this amazing experience, we started to descend.
Hi people, we have started the descent now. As you can see, my whole skin is tanned. And well, descending it's quite easy. It's not like difficult as the way we ascend. But yeah, the overall experience of the trek is awesome. Like when you go up over there and you see that sunrise, it's like you feel everything is worth it.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together, everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together.
We trekked down till Judaka Talab the same day and left for Sankri the next day. We have picked our luggage with memories, laughter, a never forgettable sight, and left a little piece of our heart to live here forever.